Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Dropbox in Adobe Premiere Pro step by step clearly. To begin, open Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer. Next, navigate to the File menu located in the top left corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Adobe Cloud. You will notice an option labeled Creative Cloud Files. Click on this option to access your Creative Cloud storage. Now, look for the Link to Dropbox option. Select it to initiate the authentication process. A new window will appear prompting you to log into your Dropbox account. Enter your Dropbox email and password in the provided fields. After entering your credentials, click on the Sign In button. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you will be prompted to enter the verification code. Check your mobile device for the code and input it into the dialog box. Once successfully authenticated, you will see a confirmation message. Click Allow to grant Adobe Premiere Pro access to your Dropbox files. Now, return to the Premiere Pro interface. You should see your Dropbox files appear in the media browser. Browse through your files to locate the clips you want to use. Simply drag and drop your desired clips into your project timeline. And that's how you authenticate with Dropbox in Adobe Premiere Pro step by step. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.